In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each choice means so you can start confidently. Begin on the YouTube homepage on a desktop browser. Look to the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Settings with a small gear icon. If your sidebar is collapsed, click the three horizontal lines at the top left to expand it so Settings becomes visible. Go ahead and click Settings. This takes you to the area where YouTube manages your account and channel preferences. Don't worry, you're not publishing anything here. You're just preparing your channel space. Inside Settings, you'll see an option that says Create a Channel. Click that. This option appears when you don't already have a channel connected to your account. If you happen to see different wording or channel settings instead, that usually means a channel already exists for this account. But if you see Create a Channel, that's your cue to proceed. Next, YouTube will prompt you to set up your channel name and your handle. This part is important and worth a moment of thought. Your channel name is the public display name people will see on your videos and on your channel page. Your handle, shown with an @ symbol, is your unique identifier. Think of it like a username that can appear in your channel URL and in mentions across YouTube. Choose a channel name that clearly reflects what viewers can expect from you. Keep it readable, easy to spell, and consistent with how you present yourself elsewhere online if brand consistency matters to you. For your handle, aim for something short, memorable, and as close as possible to your channel name. YouTube will let you know if a handle is already taken and may suggest alternatives. If you add numbers or underscores, do so sparingly to keep it clean and recognizable. Capitalization doesn't change availability, but using capital letters for readability can help your name and handle look professional. As you type, double-check for typos, and consider how the name will appear on small screens. You can update these later, but it's best to pick something you're comfortable sticking with for a while. When everything looks good, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. YouTube will create your channel based on the details you just provided. That's it. To recap, open Settings, click, Create a Channel, then choose your channel name and handle and confirm. You're now ready to move forward with your new YouTube presence. In future sessions, you can personalize branding and start publishing. But for now, congratulations, you've created your channel.